discover the rocky journey to the beauty of Wadi Shees. Drive carefully as the route features many steep slopes, bends, blind peaks, and corners, eventually narrowing into a single track. Whether you explore the old village and nature trail or go off-roading, a visit to the scenic Wadi Shees in Khorfakkan is sure to leave you feeling relaxed. Wadi Shees is a hidden gem nestled in the Hajar Mountains, a little slice of paradise. We explored the area during summer, so be sure to bring plenty of water to stay hydrated and protect yourself from the strong sunlight. So, gear up, stay safe, and enjoy the rugged beauty of Wadi Shees. Let's hit the trails.